While eggs are a great source of protein, there are several foods that contain a lot more protein per serving than eggs. Here are some examples. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, with about 23 grams of protein per cup, 240 milliliters. It's also a good source of calcium and probiotics. 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean protein source that contains about 31 grams of protein per 3-ounce, 85-gram serving. It's also a good source of niacin and vitamin B6. 3. Lentils. Lentils are a type of legume that is high in protein and fiber. 1 cup, 198 grams, of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of protein. 4. Tofu and tempeh. Both tofu and tempeh are high in protein and are a great alternative to meat, with about 10 to 15 grams per 3-ounce serving. 5. Tuna. Tuna is a lean fish that's high in protein and low in fat. A 3-ounce, 85-gram, serving of tuna contains about 22 grams of protein. 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is a grain that's high in protein and fiber. 1 cup, 185 grams, of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein. 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a dairy product that's high in protein and low in fat. 1 cup, 226 grams, of cottage cheese contains about 27 grams of protein. 8. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are all high in protein, with about 6 to 10 grams per ounce. 9. Beef. Beef is a good source of protein, iron, and vitamin B12. A 3-ounce, 85-gram, serving of beef contains about 22 grams of protein. 10. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a plant-based source of protein, with about 10 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons, 30 grams. They're also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. 11. Edamame. Edamame is a young soybean that is high in protein and fiber. 1 cup, 155 grams, of cooked edamame contains about 17 grams of protein. 12. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of plant-based protein, with about 9 grams of protein per quarter cup, 30 grams. They're also a good source of magnesium and zinc. It's important to note that while some of these foods contain more protein than eggs, eggs are still a valuable source of protein and can be a part of a healthy and balanced diet.